When it comes to full house remodeling in Texas, especially in Austin, Georgetown, and Leander, Modern Vision Remodeling Expert stands out as the team you want on your side. Full house remodeling is a big investment, covering everything from interior and exterior updates, room additions, kitchen and bathroom renovations, new flooring, painting and lighting upgrades, to energy-efficient improvements. You need a company that can handle every detail with skill and professionalism. Modern Vision Remodeling Expert brings years of experience and a proven track record in transforming homes across Central Texas. Their team understands the unique styles, needs, and building codes of the region, ensuring your project runs smoothly from start to finish. Whether you're dreaming of an open-concept living space, a chef-inspired kitchen, a luxurious bathroom, or enhanced curb appeal, they have the expertise to bring your vision to life. What sets Modern Vision apart is their commitment to quality craftsmanship and personalized service. They take the time to listen to your goals, offer creative solutions, and keep you informed at every stage. With their help, you can expect seamless integration of new additions, flawless finishes, and modern upgrades that boost your home's comfort, efficiency, and value. If you're considering a full house remodel, including interior and exterior remodeling, room additions, kitchen and bathroom renovations, flooring, painting, lighting, or energy-efficient upgrades, call Modern Vision Remodeling Expert. They're the trusted partner you need to turn your Texas home into the space you've always wanted.